AI-generated 3D models are exploding right now. Tripo3D and Hunyuan 3D let anyone create models, but they only display inside those platforms. Some 3D showcase sites exist online, but they're either not open source or only work with specific types. So I built a truly universal open source platform with a flexible Entity 3D data structure that extends to any 3D model type. Just define the data, no code changes needed. Different types automatically adapt to different display modes. Biological models show knowledge points. Mechanical models highlight structural details. Character models emphasize style and textures. Plus, Hollywood red carpet slow motion effect. Models auto-rotate slowly on entrance. Dramatic lighting like a movie premiere. Showcasing your 3D works stunningly. Explore biological cells, DNA, viruses, dinosaurs, insects, lizards, anime characters, racing motorcycles. Every model supports 360-degree rotation and zoom. Deploy your own platform easily. Clone, install, define Entity 3D data, add GLB files. Done. Intelligent caching and Draco compression. Models load instantly. Supports GitHub pages, Vercel, Netlify. Hope this helps you showcase AI-generated 3D works and extend to any model types you need.